In this video, we'll show how to use the delay function to automatically turn off heating if a window stays open for a certain amount of time. First, open your heating control settings. Go to the Automation tab and create a new automation. Choose New Delay. Set how long the system should wait before reacting. For this example, we set 10 seconds. Activate Clear Delay to allow repeated operation, and Start Delay to trigger when the condition starts. In this setup, we must also invert the signal. We'll save these settings. Now, in the Condition tab, we define when the heating should turn off. Select Add New Condition, then Existing I/O, and find your contact sensor. We want heating to stop when the window is open, so we select Open, then Save and Finish. After a few moments for the system to update, we can test it. As you can see, heating is active, indicated by the yellow sun icon. When we simulate opening the window, after 10 seconds, the heating turns off. Once the window is closed again, heating immediately resumes. Thank you for watching. Check out the PIERRE Academy playlist for more step-by-step tutorials.